Today I'm going to show you how you can edit response option labels and how to merge response options. To edit response option labels, you have to create a version of the existing variable, for example, a question or a background variable, and add new response options. To create a variable version, you have to go into Report, select Settings on the side menu, and then under Data, you click on Variables. Then you click on the variable whose response options you want to edit and select Add Variable Version. For example, we choose Department, Add Variable Version. Then you can name your variable version here. And we can click on Categories and click on the Add Category button up here. And now we can select the criteria that will define the category. For example, we want to have an exact match with HR. And then we click Next. Then we can name the category and click Save. We're going to use it HR example. We click Save, and this is the name that will be visible in the charts, filters, and data series. In other words, this is where you shorten the original label. And we click Save. Now our category was created. And if you want to create other ones, of course, you just redo the steps we just did. And when you're done adding all the necessary categories, you can use the new variable version to create charts, filters, and also data series. And now I'm going to show you how I can merge a variable's response option. Therefore, you have to go into Report, select Settings, and under Data, you click on Variables. Then you choose again the variable whose response options you want to edit. Department, for example, add variable version. Then you can name a version again, however you want it, and you click on Categories. Then you click on the category you want to delete and click Select. For example, HR. You select it and click on the delete icon. Then you click on the existing category that you want to merge the deleted into and select Edit. For example, Consultants. We select Edit. Then we can define the category for it to include all the necessary data. For example, we can have an exact match, and we can also add one here. We also want an exact match, and then we can choose HR, for example, because we want to merge it into the consultants one. When we're done, we click Next, and then we can rename it Consultants and HR example. Once we name the category, we click Save, and this is the name that will be visible in charts, filters, and data series.